Pep Travelers, I'm opening Goddess Story again, yes. It is very nice to come back to Goddess Story, especially after opening a lot of different boxes, which gives you, some perspective. Sometimes better, sometimes worse, but Goddess Story has a special place in my heart, so I'm very hyped to open this one up. Also, in the back of the box I can see that there's probably a new rarity, at least it looks like it. We haven't had a rarity above SSR in 101 box, so that's interesting. So now you can kind of hunt for very rare card in it. I like that a lot. By the way, which set is it that this is NS9? Jesus Christ. There are that many. To order your own set of Goddess Story, your own boxes, go to the video description. You also can get a free promo pack if you order from the seller and after your order you message them tcgcomrade. If you have a crazy cash amount and this cash amount would be above $200, you can also remind them that you came from tcgcomrade and you will get 2 golden cards shipped with the order for free. I have one example here that I got with this box, which does look very nice. I forgot the name of the anime, even though I watched it. But I do like this card, it looks amazing. Like, Jojo came to say hi to the waifus, because there's not a single day when I record now and Jojo isn't here to say hi to the waifus, eh? Oh, bro! Why the fuck would you do that? Why would you do that? Move your ass over here. Is the cam still alright? Like you see what you should see, very good, very nice. Let's just start with the waifus, man. Oh, I missed this. I missed this Goddess Story style. I honestly do not have any idea who the fuck this is, but it looks nice. This also looks very nice. I might have to watch this anime, no reason at all. Lovely, maybe? Oh, that's a long name, I don't know what it is. Okay, do I need to step up my... starting with SSR, first pack, okay. I was saying, do I need to step up my game, because, like, there's a lot of cards. In this pack I don't know any fucking character. Not even a single one. What happened to me? I mean, it was always a problem because there's just a lot of waifus. But like, bruh. The style of this one looks like the Black Rock Shooter. I don't know if that's Black Rock Shooter for sure. They're feeling thinner than usual, or just me, because a lot of boxes I open these times have thick cards, so it is, oh god, hey, what? Is this the rarity that's on the box? Oh wait, but there are like a few new rarities. I'm a stupid ass. Look, I already watched this, but you have say R and say R. That's interesting. That makes it really awesome and cool. I mean, besides the different style, it looks like the normal R, like there's no really shine to it, but there's a different bag. This bag looks nice, man. Okay. I have a new feelings opening the 101 box. I like that. I like that a lot. That's a nice bikini set. Okay, very good. And we have an SR. Still, not a single character that I do know. It just hurts me. Please, give me one in this pack that I can recognize. Okay, sure, that's double. I've seen it, so I recognize her. But I mean, like, that I know the character. Thank you, that's Fate. Thank you so much. And that's an say R Fate. One Punch Man. Very good. Very nice. That is Lisa from Genshin Impact. All I can remember, she moans very hard. SSR. I like those legs. God damn. Are there still 6 SSR in the box, or are there more now? I don't know. I don't think they would add more. So we are just getting really fast on our SSR game. Only 4 remains, if nothing has changed. Okay, we have some doubles, sadly. Ah, that hurts me. That's exact the same cards. Man, got a story, get out of here. That's fate. You redeemed yourself. I like that. Have you already opened this box? Because I like always, I'm late with this shit. Sorry. There's probably a lot of people who already opened it. Let me know in the comments if you had opened. Did you like this? Did you like the new rarities they added? There's a lot. Like, bro, what am I supposed to do with this? And what am I supposed to do with those? She's looking cute. She is looking cute. Okay, I do recognize this chick. But I don't know why. We're just going for the new rarity. Fuck yeah! What? Okay, I don't even know how rare this is. And by the way, got a story. You did it very good on this one. I really like the design and I really like the colors. You made this card special. I like that. These new rarities have the new back. Because that is a kind of upgrade of SSR. I like that. Because a lot of boxes that are like new and most often a one-shot. That they don't come up with the second one. They have like all these rarities that you will get only one of, and then it doesn't feel or look like epic. Like, that is the very hard rarity of awesome rarity to get. You just know that it's rare because you only got one of them in the box, but it doesn't look like it. This does look like shit. I got lucky. I love that. I love that a lot. Okay. That's a weird angle, but sure. Okay, that's Pokemon. I don't know who you are, but I see some balls. So yeah, that would mean it is a Pokemon Go. Okay, like always, we've seen some returning characters in Gada's story. Well, that's about to happen. That's also returning features of Gada's story. Oh, okay, whoa, that's an interesting art. Who the fuck is this? Damn, I like that. I'm weak to this shit, what can I say, man? Like, okay, sure, whatever. But I got another new one, that is between the SSR and SR. The SSR now more rare. I have, what? I like that. It makes actually not as predictable as it was before, because you always knew, oh well, I will get 6 SSR, so go on with it. But now I don't know what I will get. Okay, does look dangerous. I've seen this one somewhere in Gada's story also. I don't know if that's the same art. Okay, that's a nice cup of tea. Cool. Oh, bro, they're just going outside. Just, that's fate, right? There's like fate. I can't. What the fuck? How does this work? How there? Like, did you remove the nipples, or are you telling me the nipple is right there? Like, that's not how the boobas work, man. I can't. I just lost my speech. Goddamn. Okay, that's the most interesting card so far. Holy moly! What do we have now? We have some new characters and new boobas. I can't. Well, this time I'm definitely sure I can't show you this. Like, there's some features that can be seen through the closing that I can't show to you. I think Gada's story, you are at the point where you can already just say and go, you know what, we're gonna do like 18 plus boxes. We all want it, so just do it. And then we have this card, and we have an SSR. Damn, I do like the design. I have no idea where she's from. Okay, some lollies, because the Gada's story can't operate without them, sure. I know that you are in a few other boxes from Gada's story, so okay. Looks like Rintosuka hair, so I like that. Thank you very much. What do we have here? Nice legs. Okay, oh, okay. Ooh. Okay, a lot to look at, especially in the background. Okay, now it's damaged. I got 2 CR, I mean, in the back. Okay, cool. But it's damaged. No. Such a cool card, man. I got like 3 of the other chicks and you give me this one that's damaged. Oh, it hurts. It hurts. There's an SSR at the back. It looks nice. A lot of naked legs this time. I don't know if that's something that I just like focus on or it's just really like what they did with this box. Like a lot of naked legs. See, legs, naked. Although it's a lolly, so I don't like it. Looking hella nice, alright. Okay, I can't show you this one probably, so... And I hope that's big surprise. We have already seen it. Hey, that's cute. A new video about the rarities will have to be made again. Not now, because there's not that many new rarities, but I mean, probably in a year or so I will need to make a new one. A new era of Kade's story. Nice card. Look, she has a coffee for her and for you, which is very nice. This is also very nice. Just the normal SR. Hey, that's, you know, cool. See, legs and boobas. Okay, we have seen you. Ooh. I think I saw an SSR at the back, so this is amazing. Hey, Toradora, cute. Very cute. Yes, yes! SSR. What is this for Decepticon? Which means I have now 5 SSR and I have probably 8 packs to go through. I mean, it's very unlikely that I won't get at least one hit in those 8 packs. It's possible, but which would mean the 1-1 boxes I just got way better without me knowing it. Where does this hand come from? Because it's not hers. I hope not, because it would mean like... Okay, okay. All the doubles, all the doubles, all the doubles. Dr. Pepper. The fuck, what's her name? I forgot her name, but it's from Steins Gate, so I do love her. And we have yet again a new shiny. Legs again, and I don't know why she's done this, but she has. So okay, legs, there you go. Like, see, that's not me, that's just a lot of legs in this box. Hey, what's an Amico? And then another SSR, let's go. I have no idea what this is. Okay, so you still get 6 SSR, and probably this one is a unlucky one. Like, you get it, maybe you do get it, maybe you don't. Oh, we have 3 packs left. Well, I got all the SSR I can get. So I don't think the box can surprise me anymore. And all are become double. Forget what I said. Holy shit. I love this card. Thank you, box, for surprising me. Most of the time I organize this shit, but I don't know what's wrong with me today, but I just don't feel like it, so yeah. It just became a grab pile of cards. But I mean, what? 7 SSR? What? Did they change that? Previously, in all 1-1 boxes, you will get only 6 SSR. So you always end up with 6 pulls. How the fuck did I get so many? I love it. I don't have words for these pulls because it's been amazing. It did really surprise me. It feels really nice to feel that like kind of fresh feeling for a 1-1 box, which I didn't get for a long time. After some point, 1-1 box becomes like just, you know, oh, I just do it, like 6 SSR, whatever, cool. But now, fuck yeah, I'm actually hype about them again, so I would like to buy more, which is a bad thing actually, because I don't have money for this. But thank you so much for watching, especially if you watch it till the end, you're a freaking legend. I love you so much. I will see you in another one, Web Traveler.